What's up guys, it's your boy Free Gamer here, back with another video. And I'm here with my friend Guest. And he was just sat on my car and then just look at this. I'm just gonna go super fast. He's still on. He'll go from all the way down here. Oh my god. Pretty much going across the whole entire map. Go through here. If you're gonna stay, bye bye. But dead. Bye bye. Bye bye. Have a great time. Quick, come on. No, Cass, you get it done. Cass, have you drowned? You might have drowned. Gassed. If you drowned. Oh yeah, I just got carried away with the guest guy. This is episode 2 of Work at Pizza Place. I think every episode we're gonna have a different job. So I think I'm gonna be a delivery today. I'm gonna be delivery. 8 likes for my house. 8 people like the house. So yeah. Mania, what? Mania. Yeah, if there's any deliveries, then I'll take them. What are you doing? Thank you, put some pizzas in there. You come up to get it. The other day, big Frizzstorm. Yeah, I'm still with this guest guy. I don't know if he left or is he with us? Yeah, I think he left. But yeah, you cooking? It's gonna burn. Wait, no, that's not even because not. I give up. I might go to a different server because people are just nuts. I'll just take this one then. I colored my house like it was like something you'd find in real life, not like a yellow and what pinkish orange is this? Wait, I'm in his house. I want to deliver to him. No, in your house. Oh Jesus! I like the update that they've added where you can like run over mailboxes and trees with the big truck. Come on, come on. Oh my god. Cheese? I'm going to a different server. Because he didn't even put cheese on that pizza. My Pringles. Wait, I think this one actually knows wanna be delivery. Got two, I think. Yep. Any more? The other day there was like 11 pizzas and I delivered like all of them. It's hardly any now. Sorry if you're like, why are you just walking into walls? Because I'm doing this one-handed because I'm eating my my lunch as well. Let's just deliver these because I'm guessing there's not going to be any more. I'll get some ready for you, Tom. There you go. Brum brum, chugga chugga. These cars have been really laggy for me. Laggy for me? Ooh, what's going on there? Don't know, and I don't want to know. I've only just realised. Is there any pizzas? Now there is. Please put that in, and I am gonna order. Deliver that. People don't know who, that I'm spamming. Saha, get right. Why do you have a watermelon on your head? And a rubber duck? And a Domino's hat? Don't know? And I don't want to know. I'm guessing you'd say the same thing for why I have two katanas on my back. And I don't know why you'd have a guitar at work. And if you're gonna say why do you have katanas, I know why. Somebody tries to steal from us, I'll just kill them with these katanas. Even though I can't actually do that. These are red from no. Why? You. How about you? Haha. Fooled him. Please throw my head. Good. Just get another car. Don't leave it laying around then. My house is here now. Why is my house black? I don't want my house to be black. Right. I want my house to be... No, I've seen people with their houses just like that. And the leg. Dark. Why? I don't want no. Wait, and I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna do this like two. Wait. I don't want like a pinkish color on. Some. Oi, douche. Yeah, I'll stick with that. Fine with me. You painted my wheels, thanks, fam. What are you doing, you lame boy? No? Get out of my way. Just go. You can't paint my house if you're not dumb. Come get me. Ooh, come get me. Ooh, come get me. Ooh, come get me. If that guy just chasing me. By this time, you could have had your car, the colours that you wanted, and been done like 10 deliveries. But no, you decide to stalk me. Look at this dude. What? I just always say yeah, kick him out, because aren't less people. If this guy don't know where I am. Probably dinosaur. If he's behind there, that would be so funny. And I'll just drive off. Where are you? Gonna play hide and seek? You can play hide and seek if you want. It's fine with me. Let's do my deliverers. How about that? Oh, it's that Jamaican guy. Not Jamaican. What do you want? How about I'm just gonna get out. I'm just gonna get out and just whatever. What's he doing? What are you doing? Ha! Ha ha! You just got wrecked. Ha! You gotta get red. Lol. Alright. Let's actually do work now. Don't know what a clue that guy was doing. Let me bring this to C3. C3 is here. Have your pizza? Oh, it's that guy's house. Of course. Why has he got like a... Oh, no. Just A's, no B's. B stands for busy. No, it's a busy road. A2, so this is A1. A1 and A1. Say Fredo. Kadoosh. No. Ding dong, ding dong. See you later, pizza person. Pizza. Get this? Ding dong. See you later, pizza person. Whoa, thanks a lot. And I got that. April like, oh, thanks a lot. So I have like a katana on my back. Sword. Hi, sword. Ooh, Party Island. What's going on? Is this a whole different game? I think it is. Pizza Plays Party Island. This is Party Island. This is literally just Party Island, just loads of houses. Why are loads of people in the sky? effect now. I hate man's not hot. Man's not hot, never hot. Hi, I am homeless. Cool! I'm just gonna die and see if it teleports me back to the other place, not this place. Uh-oh. I'll join back and see if it puts me back to So guys, I'm going to end the video here. As always, like, subscribe, share the video, and yeah, peace out.